It's been a month since my last video. Life's happened, electrical side works, repair, real life responsibilities. But I made a promise to myself I would finish this project. Today I am building a DC chopper, a speed controller for DC motor using Python and Arduino. If you are missed theory video, link in the description. Now in this video we are building on it live. You can see all required components on the screen. Now it's time to build the real circuit. First of all, I'm going to place this IRF540 MOSFET on the breadboard. Look closely, there is the mica between heatsink and MOSFET. Don't forget to use mica. The MOSFET metal tab is connected to the drain. If it does heatsink directly, it can cause a short circuit. So we use mica to insulate the MOSFET. Note down this 1, 2, 3 pin is gate, drain and source. Okay, now it's time to place MOSFET on the breadboard like that. Now connect MOSFET source to your power supply GND. I have this 12 volt rectified circuit, that's why I am using this. You can use battery or what you have. Also don't forget to connect this GND to Arduino GND like that. And now connect MOSFET drain to motor negative terminal. This is my negative terminal and this is my positive terminal. Okay, I am using this diode for blocking spike voltage from this motor. If you don't know what is spike voltage, when motor supply is stopped but motor is still running for 1 to 2 seconds, right? In this time this motor is act as a generator, not motor. So after motor becoming generator, this motor generate spike voltage that can instant kill your MOSFET. Okay, that's why we are using this diode as a protection system. And then connect your motor positive terminal to your supply positive terminal like that. Now place resistor between MOSFET gate to Arduino pin. I am using Arduino pin 9, that's why I am going to use pin 9. Finally, your circuit is complete. Now it's time for the code. Here is the Arduino code, simple and clean. First of all, we have this serial begin 9600. It means we are just start talking to the laptop by USB 9600 speed, and then pin mode 9 output means I am using Arduino pin 9 as a output. The if serial dot available, it checks Python sent any command or not, and then string input, read everything until the enter key. As you throw this input trim helps to remove any extra space or empty lines. Now this my int percent line helps to convert my percent value to number. Now this line check is this number between 0 and 100%. When checking is finished, your percent value change into PWM value by this line. At the end, all these print function only for user, just to know what happening inside Arduino. Upload this once, we never touch it again. Now it's time for the Python code. First of all, we have this import serial. If you are confused about what is import serial is just a Python libraries, which one is we are already discovered in previous video. If you are want to see how to download in VS Code, you can check my simple LED control by Python code video. It's very simple. This serial library bring in the USB communication with our microcontroller and our code. Import time means we're just add timing tool in our code. First of all, we have this Arduino variable for connecting Arduino port and communication speed, which is 9600, and my device port is COM3. There is, you need to write your port. First of all, check your device port and write in there to avoid unwanted errors. It's easy to find your device port. Again, open Arduino IDE and click tool section. There is, you can see your port like that. And back into the topic, this time dot sleep 2 mean 2 second. We'll just wait 2 seconds for Arduino to wake up and follow our command. As you know, this print function only for the user, but the real code is here. Here's the while loop. We are making another variable named CMD, which one is asks the user for the input number, like we entering 0 to 100% as a input number. This is an exit condition. If you enter exit, it say goodbye and ignore all this condition. Others, if you enter 0 to 100 number, your input numbers check by this line and convert into byte number by this encode. Like if you enter 15 number, first of all change into the percent number and then byte number by this encode. At the end, if you enter an invalid number, your number is detected by this line and be aware to enter the valid number. Let's run this code. First of all, enter 10. Motor is not running because enter 20. Motor making humming sound bigger than before. Now enter 25%. Still not running. So now 30%. Still not. Now 15%. Finally, motor is getting started. You can see. Let's jump into the max. It means 100%. You can see motor is running faster than before. If this circuit and code is not working, check common ground of Arduino JND and 12V JND. Is that connect properly or not? Direction and your device port. Fix this first. Check it will work properly. This chopper is simple, powerful and Python controlled. In next video, we'll add reverse direction and edge bridge, so the motor goes forward and backward. If this video helps you to learn something new, don't forget to subscribe. Code, circuit and complete explanation of DC chopper in my GitHub. Link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye.